concepts. A spiritual, in fact, spiritual evolution or that inner development of a person is inversely proportional to the reliance or dependence on the world. So the spiritual development and reliance on the world is inversely proportional. Means a person is 80% developed, sir. What would be his dependence on the world? Sudhakar Garu, 80% developed, sir. What will be his dependence? 20%. Kada? If a person is 30% developed, his dependence rises to 70%. Now let's follow little figures and facts here. A person is 80% developed. Okay, let's start with 30% developed. A person is 30% developed, ma. His need would be 70%. He needs the 70% of the world to make him happy, to feel comfortable. And what that 70% includes, just arbitrary I'm saying. He must have an established job. He must have a 5-figure, 6-figure salary. He must have enough savings. He should have everything well with the family. Lovely lady, his wife, his children are doing well, education is good, there are social activities which are going well, his social life is good, he is able to travel abroad every 6 months, he's got 2 chauffeur-driven cars, he's a member of a prestigious club in the city, blah, 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 blah. He needs all this to make him happy. But the sad reality of life in his state is he only has 40% of it. Are you following, sir? 30% developed, he needs 70%, he only has 40%. What is that deficit minus 30%, you know? That minus 30% is called hell. That's the definition of hell. Every time you see someone driving a flashy car, I wish I had that. Every time you hear someone who is a permanent member of a prestigious club, I've been so desperately trying through all my corporate contacts and influence and pushing and pulling and trying to get that for my family. Cha, I wish I had that. Somebody goes to an exotic holiday or a cruise holiday, somebody is sharing their happiness with you, and what's happening within you? You're envious of that fellow. 30 is you feel yourself disappointed, you feel yourself unhappy, you feel you have lost that piece of success in your life. At this age, that fellow is at that level and I am so far behind, and you feel there's something seriously shortfall in your life. If your spiritual development is 80%, you have done so much to yourself, you have evolved. Your dependency becomes only 20%. You don't need 2 chauffeur-driven cars, you don't need a 6-digit salary, you don't need a membership in a club, you don't need to travel 6 months abroad, you don't need all that. You don't need all that. You're very happy. So if your material needs are 20%, 80% developed, 20% you need, but because of your sheer effort, because of your sheer hard work, you have 60% of the world with you. Mentally you need 20%, means you're very happy taking a public transport to work. I'm happy to take a bus to work, but I have a car with me. What is that plus 40? What is that plus 40, sir? Heaven. Excess. Everything becomes an excess because my necessity is less.